In today's video, I will walk you through how to contact PayPal support for real help. We all know how frustrating it can be when you need help with an online payment issue and cannot get a clear answer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reach PayPal support through the web version and how to contact a real person for assistance. First, log into your PayPal account. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one through PayPal's website before continuing. After signing in, go to your main account page and scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a help link there. Click on it to open PayPal's Help Center. You can also go directly to the Help Center by typing paypal.com/help into your browser's address bar. Inside the Help Center, you will find different support topics related to common problems such as disputes, account limitations, and payment issues. You can browse through these sections if you want to check for answers related to your issue. If the help articles are not enough and you want to contact a real person, go to the Message Center. From the Help Center, click on the Message Center option to continue. You can also access it directly by visiting the Contact section through PayPal support pages. Once you are inside the Message Center, click on New Message to begin. In the message box, write a short and clear explanation of your issue. Keep your message concise while still including the necessary details. For example, you can write that your account is limited and that you already uploaded the required documents for review. After sending your message, wait for a response from a PayPal agent. If you contact support during business hours, you are more likely to receive a reply from a real person instead of an automated response. If you still cannot find the help you need, return to the help page and click Contact Us. You will then see different categories related to specific problems, including account access, security, payments, transfers, disputes, and chargebacks. Select the topic that best matches your issue and continue following the prompts on the screen. Eventually, you may see an option to call us if you want to speak directly with a support representative over the phone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you contact PayPal support more efficiently.